Hello Year 5, I'm just going to do a short video for your science activity that we'd like you to do this week. Last week there were some fantastic experiments that you've all done based on forces, investigating what a force is and finding ways to demonstrate them. So what I would like to do this week is focus in on a particular force which is called gravity, which is the force that most of you probably know acts on everything in our world every day. And gravity is the force that pulls things towards the Earth. Okay, so I've got my Rubik's Cube here. If I was just holding my Rubik's Cube, gravity is still working on it. It's working on all of us all the time. How do we know that? Well, because we're not floating off the surface and off into space. Because we can stay on the ground, because this Rubik's Cube is staying in my hand, gravity is working on it. Now when it's still in my hand, the force of my hand pushing upwards is actually equal to the gravity that is pushing that down, okay? And some of you mentioned that in your videos as well. When it's static, gravity and my force are equal. If I push the Rubik's Cube up, the force of my hand is stronger than the gravity, and that's coming up. If I let the Rubik's Cube go, gravity is stronger than the force that's pushing it up, okay? If gravity was stronger than I could handle, this cube would be pulling my hand down towards the Earth. But gravity on Earth, on our planet, is just the right amount for us to be able to live comfortably here. So, your task is to investigate gravity. I'd like you to tell me what gravity is, what causes gravity, and I'll give you a clue. The word that you would probably want to be investigating is mass. Okay, in Year 5 it gets a little bit more complicated, so we think about mass. And I know some of you have already started in your first task to mention gravity or investigate it. We'd like you just to look a little bit deeper. So that's great that you've already done that. You might need to go into a little bit more sort of science theory and that kind of thing. Okay, so investigate gravity. Demonstrate for us, if you can, with an experiment or a demonstration or a video again, how gravity works, and show us what you can find out about it. Okay, so that's this week's task. And also look out for information this week about a Zoom meeting that we'll be setting up as well, which is going to be very exciting. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.